welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Amy. If it's your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If not, welcome back. So I know you guys are probably wondering why the hell she's in her bathroom. Today I will be showing you guys my personal hair routine. This hair routine is really good for normal to dry hair. So if you are the type of person that have really dry hair like I do, this video is perfect for you. Today I will be showing you guys my personal hair treatment made from home, so you don't have to waste money on any expensive products. This is called a Dominican treatment that I made. So today I will be using a number of products. The first product will be this Parade Clover Honey. You can use any type of honey for this treatment. The second product will be olive oil. You can get this at any nearby grocery store or supermarket. Bananas. Stay tuned because you will find out why I use bananas. Mayonnaise. I know it sounds insane, but trust me, keep watching this video and you will see why I use it. Final product will be coconut oil. A lot of people say that coconut oil isn't useful for your hair. I will prove that otherwise. You like to fluff it out at first, just to get some sense
into my head.
This type of comb. I love using this tool for my hair because it helps detangle it very easy to divide my hair in 4 to evenly spread out the treatment. The olive oil, the coconut oil, the mayonnaise, and finally bananas. It should look something like this. I always like to mix it. Sorry, right guys? Okay. You can see my hair is massaged. So good, literally. It feels so soft and my hair feels happy when I do hair masks. It goes from being dry. Now, this is how much I've used. I used nearly half. Now I'm going to take a little bit so you won't dirty your neck. Apply a little bit more. I love putting a lot on my hair because I have extremely dry hair, like so dry. You hear that noise? That's a good thing. Stick around to see the end results. Nice plastic cap. The Garnier Fructis. Give it another try. I used to use it back in the day when I was little, but let me try it again. I will also be using this deep conditioner, and let's see how this all comes out. Hi guys, so we're back. This is me after my wash. Now let's get going with these rollers. Potion 10, it's a 10. So if you can find this in Target, they have a big one, it's like $6, but it's worth it, I promise you. The Lerm is the best. Dry and frizzy hair, these two products are it. Thank me later. Okay guys, so here's my final result. After my wash, I did some rollers. It looks really nice and silky, soft, shiny. I already put on the oil, the serum for dry hair. My two faves at the moment are BioSilk and Chi Oil. It's definitely worth it.
If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.